We're in Monrovia Canyon, hiking to Monrovia Falls.
Oh wait, let me see some.
When we get there, this will be Rose's third waterfall hike. What the hell is that? Hyenas? This will be Rose's third waterfall hike.
It is beautiful in here.
Now, I just heard on the news recently that Monrovia is the third most visited city by bears in California. Just talked to the ranger a little while ago. She said there was the last bear sighting in this area was like 2 weeks ago, where somebody seen one bear in this canyon. But this is a really neat canyon. Look, it's real dense. There's a little creek, and there is a waterfall that we're going to.
Yeah, it does. I wonder if my lens is. Yeah, I don't think we tires track so. Wait a minute. Right there?
Rose, I don't think so. There's thousands of people walking down this trail. Look at all the shade right here. Yeah, this is a beautiful little canyon. Hopefully our hike will be rewarded with a nice waterfall.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, okay, thanks.
How you doing?
Fine, thanks.
Oh, look, you could go down there. Like a little stairway. Look at it. You see the little stairway?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Okay, this is kind of interesting about this tree. This tree at one time fell over. And see how the tree kind of grew around this rock? Just brought up the whole rock with it. All right. Came across this cave. We're gonna check it out. Tammy, go in there.
Yeah, you go first.
All right, I'm gonna go inside. Hey, hey.
It's big enough for
Look at
What?
a squirrel.
Oh, wow. I thought you took the mountain lion the way you said that.
Well, at first I didn't know what it was. I just saw something gray moving.
It's a
pretty squirrel.
Yeah.
The ones at my house are like a brownish color.
You scared me, though.
That one's great.
I know. I thought there was might be a bear or something there. Yeah, we're very conscious of the bears right now since there's been a lot of sightings back here recently. Oh, look at that. Big one, big bushy tail. Here's a little brook. Creek. Look, look. Oh, no, I think you're faking.
Are you smiling? Yeah.
Okay, I think we're almost at the falls. I think it's just right up here around the corner.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here we go. Hey, it's pretty neat. It's about a 30-foot, 35-foot two-stage waterfall. This was a good little hike this morning. Made it here to the waterfalls. Signing off.